CAD yen then. The CAD yen has really pushed on, and we have, we've gone. I mean, we've had that, huge, great big structural point. Okay, thanks, Paula. See you. And you have a good weekend. We've got this huge, great big structural point here at 77.36 that we just fell out from during the week, and now, really, in this CAD yen, that the structural short is the 77.36, and we are below it. The next one is the lows right down here. So in terms of structural short points, we are actually below it. This is, you want to be short. So we're going to have to go, in terms of short trade, we're going to have to execute short from here. Using the 200 tick. The structural long is that 77.36. This rules the price action here on there. You can see how he's just fallen away from there very nicely. Okay, the structural long here is 77.36. We haven't actually got. This is the structural long and structural short point, effectively. So we haven't got a structural short anywhere near the price action. We're going to have to go to the 200 tick for that. Here we are then. There's your decline into the. We made the 1 day low here. As you can see, that looks pretty good, doesn't it? Here, this is why we expect stops to be triggered at these points. Yes, it's a 1 day low, but when we see this curving action here, it gets back to that point and then rallies. That means buyers are coming in here to stop the decline, and they're also coming in here, okay, to protect that level. So if we go through there, these buyers have to get out. That means they're going to be selling, and that's where the stops are going to be below. That is a lovely short. Very aggressive momentum to the downside. CAD yen on the short is 73.61. So 73.61, if you're going short there, your stop's 73.85. Okay, 73.85 is the stop. Just taking in, if you can, maybe 73.90, but around that, this sort of just taking into account these lows here and this sort of mini short-term structures. So 73.85, 73.90, your short stop. To long side, then, again, expect potential short covering rally from the 74.57. It's the high made in the last 4 sessions. 74.57. Again, your long stop is going to be 74.40. You want to accommodate as many of these highs as you can. To 74.40 on the stop. So you're not giving that much room, because the bias is to the downside. So the prospect of reversion back into the mean is high, particularly when the sentiment is down and the price action momentum is down on the daily. Okay. Good long point 74.57, your long stop 74.40, short point 73.61, short stop 73.85.